Wadama, a balance sympathy, a mamun sem, dear Cassia, but dear Hintana, a honey a poundama, DLFM 106.9, Cassia Bononi, a honey in Haiti.
Yamua Kwaba, a fake Cassia Bono, and Chirimu, any. Ghana man penning, John Dramani Mahamane, Etimi, Afane Chachao, Eddie Paint, Atiafa Honkama, SCC, who seem an Yiram, Edna Nidia Chirimune. Ewo fanko ensem kwantempo no so echirim sem na nsen Ghana fo aka sapapa pefri sem adesha mofa eye nsanwam na afin so fanko kwantempo no so na mu chirim aye ahokire pa ene akwana tete apro awiawie sem akuna dunti adesha ehuna mane papa in fact Ghana man pani echirim se contract na man ho anya ha ba ha dwenye pam na mna Ghana man pani kopie mu ene wuku adai September boso metra so miensa na Ghana man pani echirim se kwa wo nyo no kwa ono asoafo no na ohwe akwan na afia kwantempon eyesuom eyo nimnyamfo Kwame Gavins abogya kopie mu na Ghana mampeni ede to contract na nemu sem ekwan na ache bebe ne nyina da eyesikasem edu bebe na sika pa mo ne beye kwan ne ho ayeden pa no ka ho bi ne kwantempon no ache ye pam Ghana mampeni ka samu bi na ode na di say o sra contract ne say in fact ekwan ache papa ne senti o man na bo no to na ekwan no onyini tente visa de hye mfa kwantempon no so no wonom ehuna mane na Ghana for beka ya eye ofanko nsem kwa tempo no abane da twam na danko fu ado na ban na hyase kita wonsa bosome wo fem pem ne dunum eye edunum yenu mu a omo ya bepem eye 2024 July nim na mo besi ya teta o man toa su bio na Ghana man pani bai na wo kirim se kwan no in fact ahojira benti contract yi said ye kwe no manim nyada ade hye ne huna mandenti bomode na yire ho na ye kwan no hwe be nkopem se second quarter 2026 ne kwan we ni wa wientesa. There's a
major arterial road in the country because it connects the two biggest cities in Ghana. And so any challenges with this contract affect a huge number of commuters because of the heavy traffic that passes through here. And so we were quite concerned about the complaints that were coming from the traveling public. And so we are happy to see that the traffic is flowing. But what I say to contractors is, yes, we know you have work to do, but one of your duties too is site management to make sure that your work does not impede the flow of traffic. So you must make adequate arrangements so that even while you're working, you are creating the conditions for traffic to flow. I can understand what happened. A loan was taken for this project, and I don't understand why the money is finished and the project is not over, and that we're having to come and pay supplementary almost 78 million from government of Ghana funds. So that's something that we need to find out what really happened. How come the loan that was taken was not enough? Was it that the estimate for the project was not done properly, or what happened? But I can see that drivers are happy now, and I hope that from now till when you finish the project, you maintain a smooth flow of traffic even as you're working, so that you don't impede the flow of traffic. So we'll hold you to your word. You say by end of second quarter next year, you should be finished. Okay, so after the exhaustion of the current payment that has been made, would it be enough to finish, or is there a supplementary payment?
Enuachi ena Ghana mampeni John Dramani Mahama kasemo ena wadan wadi same. Yanka nchira contractor ne se make se na ban atimi edwumadie no akoka aban ne big push agenda no ho asese make se no afi we nkuto no wonom de sika 14 billion Ghana cedi de esi no meboa ema kwanye atimi akoka hwe ne msenko po ya adoma afufre ebesimo no 30 billion Ghana cedis ba ko share kwanye mu a be konka ne yipa Ghana man pani chirim so sra contractor ne say onyere ne ho pa no mfa materials e yemfa nya kwa free se contractors foi yemo misikase munyi kwan pe na makwatesa na mafon de abaye kwan na nche na kwan na sei na Ghana fo hu na madente no osere mo da abaye kare so betua mo kaye enti kwan munye ne na mona temamufo no ehun to mo pode sem sei etudwa.
We've moved this contract onto the Big Push program, and enough provision has been made for the Big Push projects. Yeah, this year we have about 14 billion cedis, and next year we have another 30 billion cedis. So I think that there will be sufficient resources to keep contractors going. So as government commits to pay you well, you too must commit to move faster on the road and also use quality material. One of the major problems with road contractors in this country is the quality of material. And so you build the road, after a short while, the road starts to deteriorate. And so, I mean, your company is one of the well-known road construction companies in Ghana, and so we hope that this will be a mark of the quality of your brand.
Any awuti ye Ghana mampeni berema obuada John Dramani Mahama.
Yentua Kasiabwani Suniembo Remu Ewas Antimantemma na Confoanochi Teaching Hospital Pennyfo Abomodnia Biajumedia Biano Mobebwa no Matimi Agyei Sikapa Kwasansu no Mudi a public private partnership for Echi Abomodia Heso Metimi Nyaniema na eye project ahodra ayedada no Matimi Achemu Kinana Ahoden Etimi Abemubio. Sa project ahudro nyina na ya de bebie kwan e de ama clinical ene eye allied services bebre no so beboa ana chese ayawe sanso so no etimi akoso ye ne wo honom dada ne de ya ana chese ne ma ntimi nkoye ma wo san sense sie bi ekoso e wo honom no mo de atudwa echemu se ya pressure wo honom no kranti no eye ayawe fo na egu honom no eye pressure ni ntino mo ntimi ehwe mo sane wo se mo ntimi enhwe wo esan se mfie be ye du ni chese project na da honom sa project bi te se ye sickle cell and blood center sanso ana doctor's office complex eye blog na psychiatry eye expansion project ni na da honoma na omusho anim se na nka eye abefo kwan so no betimi afa so se ne be ya na nka bibia betimi akoso ewa ya resabia honom na emu makwansidie ana ba ye ntino na chese obko Confoanochi Teaching Hospital kwan na person komofa abefo kwan so fensa yawe no entimi masa uba eye oman Ghana mu na obo Confoanochi Teaching Hospital na chese oman Ghana ene ne second largest eye hospital a ewo oman Ghana mu emom esan ne mo muniti no na chese mo ntimi ensa yawe sane ese when a chief executive officer yes CEO Edema Confoanochi Teaching Hospital Dr. Pa Kwesibeidu HM no chese o hawe wonom de esunye papa esan so mu hia ne ma bebre sane be ya yawe sa ebetimi akosiye ewo honom no hwe anim so betimi ahyehye eye ne ma ne ye sane be ye beboa sane abefo kwan so no mo so epe no bibia ebetimi akosiye the same say edituja.
We have a number of stalled projects, and I mentioned the Hill Confoanochi project that is ongoing. Just behind this block that you see here, the D block, you see a project that started in 1992. It's supposed to serve as offices and conference facilities for staff, and since 1992, we've not been able to complete it. That is one. And we have the Sickle Cell and Blood Center that was started in 2016 by the GMPC. We have the psychiatry block renovation that was also started by Ghana Gas. These are but few of the projects that has stalled. Confoanochi serves 12 out of the 16 regions, and if you are 12 in terms of regions is 12, but population-wise we are serving almost 60 to 70% of the population in the country. So that means we are under so much stress compared to the resources we have. This is the only major facility serving these regions. And once we are able to complete most of these projects, it will ease the pressure on us. Most of our radiology, CT scan, MRI are down, or they are working at fault. When you say working at fault, it means today is working, tomorrow it's not working. These are challenges, but we will address them. Since I became CEO about barely 4 months ago, I took it upon myself to walk to the corridors of these agencies to help them build it. The projects I mentioned, the office complex here is an IGF, so we are using our resources to do it. And it's my commitment that within the next year, that project that was started in 1992 will be completed. And that is a solemn promise. But in most places, as you chop 70 years as an institution, you are expected to see improvement in your infrastructure, improvement in your services. But we have limited resources, and we can only achieve that with the support of all.
Eni ya uti ye CEO Edema Confoanochi Teaching Hospital Dr. Pa Kwesibeidu.
Yantu aka sebono se yenyira mwe ewo nkrabo prema temu hanu si na Ghana for obeka ya osana bosume twam meche 30th August bosume ne twam no ena basabasa ya bi ekoso nkrabo prema temu nyina ne sem adehya mo wo so tuum na na matre nkonwa ena afi nso omanjo dwene ho se mensiri mienu de kwanya ntemu ne nyina ne sei wane mo ukiri mu afasha bia na ekoso no metema asibi koyi ni ti na naso basabasa ya no etimi epa na no ne na matren konwa won mo so tumu afrens nsentwerefo hyew na mo say yen kan kire Ghana mampeni say wo moma no na wotwe ba ko pentem omo no homaden pa na se nipa mienu a omo koye basabasaye ewo so tuum na mukum nipa mienu omade hye awukwa no omampeni mamra ne wo muni na onche wonum te sa pa de omampeni omne ne bedi ne ye pam emperifo ka se na mu kire mu sem yen kan kire Ghana de hye say Ghana fo bekaya gaman check-in teki eye teko twiri otoso mienu eden kata abonten ebeka kire Ghana fo say yen kan kire de hye mo kra premier temu titiri ne nkronkura hodo amono mo nya nkramfo na so wo krom ha na mu senti no ho mo ha fa hye mo nka ho mo hwe na se yedi a mamfa mo ho ankohyi mankwa agye mankwa gya mani ase kram na no na mo kire mu se na o manjo kro no oho dwene ho kro no eka ho bi na so mpenefo kire mu se sa o manjo community na o mante ase una mu bu mra so ekwaye bi a omba omaden adidi tra so kopie mu so otuemu fo akache ekwaye dede ene homoya ene zene dede pa o mu de o ze homoya anase homoho afahye bi dede pa ne basabasa ekọ so na nya semikuma kwa no ene na mo friends mtwerefo nhye mu na DL kase bo ya na mu sine Emmanuel Poku adusi kopie mu ene press conference ne todwa saa na tension na matan konwa na se soto na tan konwa panipa kasa de ma wonom eye ni adukwei eye hefio be twofa a odikan kasa mu no wo kire mu sem yanka nkyira eye divisional police commander omoda eye so tuem krona no se o ma nyade basabasa ne kwazo momade akoyi matutu nanso lakadase ka o ma ye hwe hansa basabasa ne koya etu ato ne pamie no ahwe mo nkwakwa wasaka se ne wo kire mu se yanka nkyira Ghana force 30th eye August basabasa ne si ye no nimpa me no ne wu ya so tuem hene ne ba ne dindi ni ofori onu kra ye nso eye wo hene e wo ye kwahyibu etu oka no na dafo ba kuma nimpa me no nyina de ewu ya in fact e ha dwenje pa ne senti ni adokwei akase kirem se Ghana mampeni osra wada sa omanyo hene no onye ohene mpo ono akase na ahya ne ho so a o kirem se wo ohene na so sanfa tempo so obede hene okrom nti Ghana mampeni ye bibi fafa ho kram openi adesre de ato Ghana mampeni anim so osra na da ne manim yada ofa ne nemfa so nipa mienu a wo mawu no onche wonom na momaden na ade hia wonom wo eye omanyo no ofa mo fa mra kwan so na se wanche wonom mra ya adwuma de a o makasa de mra be so so madi awu vi so ma ye temu no sebe emla na ye adwuma de sem sei etudi ye kase bonim.
All these things has happened. We are begging you, tell the government that they kill our son and they have tied our hand and our leg not to talk. President, we beg, do something on this. If not that, they will kill all of us. We will fight them, but they will kill all of us. We don't get power to fight, but the masses will come for us. So they will kill all of us. We give only 1 week. If they don't do something about those who kill us, they will kill all of us. They can't kill only one son and go. Because that is the work of the lion. You can't enter to the lion den and kill his son or his daughter and go. They will kill all of us, Baba. No, he didn't so he had 1 minute or much who said Babu or Pimney nine and a doctor for who said on who naive, but 2 abubo, 5 3 Babu 1 3 police hospital taking. But one more kumuyeni abaku. It is a woman contract through say Yakum woman prepare one prepare. Yeah, shabai because says Ebekasa, fear higher NDC, fear hadu a NDC, fear the whole Agra, Obiad, it is a higher deal. But how can antelope enter to the lion den and kill the lion? God will judge. This is the daylight robin. The masses will judge by themselves. Yes, the abandon. Who can say who can say mama? Yeah, the but repeat it. I'm sorry. Now your children are killing your grandchildren. Government, wake up and talk for us. Bye-bye.
In fact, na matren ko nwadwa ye papa na wa mu kire mu Ghana mampeni yi. In fact, obi entumi ngbon wura se gbanum no mpie nkokwa nanso obuo nti wodem aye di nti wankasa amfa ho pa na wanchi nipa mkodi awuo ni pa de a omode mna be show nso no se wudie no betumi adi bi pa na o men ye nyina hunu se yes sa wode nsapan kwa yes de asotro ne gya okwan ene a wuti ye ono na gina mukasa ba nanom atran konwa wodem go so tuo mu ne den ade ni adokwei hefi ogbe twofa odikan na wote nyama ne boy ye nsem twere Emmanuel Opoku active dodo abonom na ne se DJ active na de ama ne boy ebesom yen
yanto akase ebone so ne free nkran pipni mantemo enko mfimfini mantema na presiding member sanso anatememfo mo wa futu municipal assembly ede nsema betudwa kaseti ya eye kasehunu bi a eye chief sofo azoka eka editi a eye afenyo marking na eye chief sofo azoka on the first vice chairman edema NDC amanyoko no ana eye Alexander afenyo marking on eye mrashebedwani edema efutu sanso ano eye minority eye leader na brown nsemchofo etwetwe nkomo na eye presiding member eye Yakubu Kwansa editudwa na ochemu se sansam na eye sofo azoka eka ende ye nsem ye papa na oka nsem we ya na chese de oha kese sanso na nsusanso bone ana de beba kabina min kabia mamu oni mesa sa de nti ana utimi bie wano etimi kasa asem we edi kire unua na ochie ma wasasa ne ma we na etimi bra na se sanse sa oka kasa we edi kire unua na chese asumdua wa oman ni mu no obre na se sanso ana mpanifo nso so a omo wa oman yi mu no yemfa obuo emfa ma wom ebaka bi na minka bi amamuo ne so a ebuo ani eyegidie entimi mbamu bio ntomo hwesa ne ebeya asumdue ene nkabom ebetimi akoso ewo man mu no chiema eye Alexander afenyo marking yo bi a wo se omudi obuo pa edema no sanso ana mutimi ebo ne ho be sanso ye penikese pa ono no asumdue dia huhia ne ye papa na so otimi gina honom na akasa asem we kire ne dia adenti ana wo se etimi ebasa enti Ghana Police Service emomoda no munye hwehwemu FM fa asem no ho no mo mamra no anya adwuma esansan sama eye sofo azoka eka kire eye Alexander afenyo marking no enya ade a etwaye.
Very unfortunate to have the national first vice chairman of the NDC make an issue statement of threats, not just threats, but threats of death on the person of the Osahin of the Efutu traditional area, our beloved Member of Parliament, Honorable Alexander Afenyo Markin. We find this statement so distasteful and we urge the IGP to, as a matter of urgency, to immediately effect the arrest and the prosecution of Chief Sofo Azoka, the first vice chairman of the NDC. The party in Efutu are not going to relent on our efforts. It can never happen that Sofo Azoka will instigate that Osahin Alexander Afenyo Markin's life should be taken away from him. The Osahin title is an ancient title of a warrior in Efutu, and the entire embodiment, the hopes and aspiration of the people of Efutu is now in Osahin Alexander Afenyo Markin. And as a fact, we are not going to sit down as a community, as a people, for Sofo Azoka and the NDC to harm our star, our shining star, Osahin Alexander Afenyo Markin. We urge the IGP to take the necessary steps to arrest the Akwetia NDC communication officer for making similar statements in support of Sofo Azoka. Peace Council, all civil societies, and those we call the conscience of our nation should rise up in voice condemning, in condemnation of these statements by Sofo Azoka and the NDC.
Eni ya uti ye eye presiding member ye Yakubu Kwansa nansa na no yenti ensema eye Chief Sofo Azoka eka editi Alexander Afenyo Markin.
Akebetunwa ni donyama Afenyo Markin by election. We are ready for that. If you are not respecting the police, what I will do by election is constituency. Why am lucky? No, Omunia. I'm some party office on the higher party office. They are not right to come here. And I'm a how come they say they didn't remove anything? Because of that rush come here. That we go do by election at Afenyo Markin house. Here not the parliament though. There is free and fair field. Yeah. Everybody to do ready. If they can't film, we should come film. He where he go lost too much. Then go do by election in one.
Into when Sama Chief Sofo Azoka on the first vice chairman Edemendi Samanyo Kono. Eka editor Alexander Afenyo Markin no chema ko beto na kadumo di bedinu no just say
ba kono o say we dey say also we say film is a case film and ko ada ye mesere no what do we say film music say film and ko ada mentia say
ha nyamra shebedwa fi
say we dey open free for all fight ente wo je fin a mo fan chow best say we ni hu nyina Ghana politics for you. Yankwas we nyina mu na sa amanyosem ne yawure mu de na yagusu agina mu a nene openipo no wa binyi pa wo ye nyini onu krasi ya policy analyst ne de Michael Kwisi eye dode na Mr. Akase kire mu say Ghana ma ya tim sese no in fact amanyofo no suba omoye lakadaseka sa statement ni wa yuso kire ma omoye kokwasa pa eba sa nye bibi mfa ma oma na dache na timamufo no nya so mfa so a Ghana mpanifo na amanyofo yi enfo mo ko na maboye mfita de ku okuru mu ha musin opani desem de tudwa na wuku adai ebabo so na taso miensa emfempem ye na dunu mu ena Mr. eye dede kasemo ena wo chim samanyofo no ama Ghana fo ate ase pei se niam ahodo a ifo mo ho de mo ye ne ye kama ene se kutu se bam na mo atwe de na mo ho ato mpam na so na ahodo mban na temamuni anya biade de kokwasa sa mo nya da esensen fo mo ho kram o kirema adentre nanse na kwoto aba wo eye akwetia posifo mako 5500 ekopie mu ewa akwetia nanso yanko ne yentu galamse ase posifo kitua bi na eko endi Ghana mpanimfo mu animu aguas papa visa mu amanyofo no de yamo de yankwa na mbo ho ban temamuni de ankala talata momwen opani aga se kirim se ne ma amanyofo ne ye ne kire se personal interest ne ma ye omo de yankwa na modwo na Ghana ni de omo nwono ho identify ho adwen o de same say etudwa
amount of resources we deploy for elections are phenomenal. Why? Because the political interest has become so keen for our political players. But when it comes to addressing national issues, you don't find the same level of interest and deployment of resources. For instance, typical again is Galamsey. Akwetia is one constituency out of the 200 and how many? 76 that we have in this country. For one election, we hear 5,000 policemen were deployed. Soldiers, everybody was there. Minister, everybody was driving there. But when it comes to fighting Galamsey, you don't see 5,000 policemen. You don't see the amount of soldiers. You don't see the ministers going there and showing interest. For me, that is the worrying thing because it looks like the politicians are more interested of their own persons than the national interest. And that is what worries me in this matter. But in terms of the contest, it looked like, well, it was keenly contested and the electoral commission at least this time had space to declare who the winner was, and both political parties or all three political parties were happy with the results.
And then as I show you,
Mr. Michael Kasebo na wo chire mu am.
An election.
O ma ye timu Ghana ni ehye ne so say. Amanyofo no ade e beye mfa so ma mo pere mani di akiri. Enye wo na mo dwene ho. Intima wa dwene e ja utirim no enye adwuma mu chirim say no nti nene. Ghana ni koto aba na wa ka che politicians ma misika na minni. Ente sa mem to aba ma efiri say. Ye to aba ni wie pe ene ye chire din. Mo kwa mu nsi ha mo nyam produdwuma na Ghana ni bre na de bia da mo da mu V8 ni convoy. Na from a pande sam when you dan pada mu dem na de okoto aba no ma mo so mo kwa akosom no na ne ho akire ne saa wo kire mu a e ba ne se ne Ghana ni koto aba wo gisikai penina okoche sika no ese sam na be so mu na ya adwuma ntie ne e de amanyosema wewura temu mu nti ya nkire na gese sabi ensem hunu nkwa na mpanifo bi ni kurom ha ne mu a Ghana nei mo ni nam nyoni so efiri sade yetin dada na enya de o masesa wo.
Well, that for me has been the trend since the Fourth Republic. Clearly, if you look at the indices of human development and all that, the people of Ghana have not really benefited much from the Fourth Republic. The people, and I keep saying this, and I hear a lot of my political friends are not happy about it, but I say that the people who seem to have benefited in the Fourth Republic are politicians. Yeah. So the voters have sat back and said, why are we really voting? And politicians have misconducted themselves over the years, and nobody has done anything to them. There was a time when a member of parliament had engaged in insurance fraud and all those things. Nothing happened to them. People can go out of parliament and violate the rules set by parliament, and nothing happens to them. They continue to receive their salaries. So Ghanaians are sitting down and watching all these things. Look, nobody holds anyone accountable. So although there's a clear law against vote buying and issues like that, what the hell? We'll do same. And we'll tell the politicians in the field that if you don't give me money, I'm not voting. Because when you get elected, there's nothing you do for me. I mean, marry this against the comment made by Alhaji Collins Dauda, where he says that if the people don't vote, you stop if you were the president. The development projects. Yeah. Such a responsible comment. Now you hear a senior politician making such a comment. What do you think the voter will also tell himself? That if the man doesn't give me money, I'm not going to vote. So I think that the way we have run this country, in the Fourth Republic especially, creates a danger for all of us. It's a looming danger for all of us. Because there's a lot of lawlessness going on in this country that is unchecked.
And crapa basa ye course o mayima. And fa penny bia ho na man ye jane sana manyofo di o mayimu. No mafu ya mabo se madontwom. Net mamufu ye to aba. Esem penifo asemo beso mo ba no hia ene yakom ne yekum yen. Eni a wote enyini ono kran ye policy analyst ne dende Michael eye kusi dede na wote ne nkan wi na Ghana ne yegina we so ne yakenka madwe nkyere ne yaba monchen na sofa no yakọ na Kofi Parliament no kire mi say what goes around comes around by the choose of the day Akwetia is green me offer si we pa baby ori kan kwesi ani good evening wafa Sammy B na Adjoa Agyei Sikapa we ese mo the news ne man back to back pa no live AD Fresh man gbete US greetings to all DLFM Callers Association crew no ochia mu nyina we am go for comfort mati ene de ba ya Ghana ne ya ba won chan asem ne nyina ni senior man engineer na fi nso policy analyst Michael kosi de kire mu a amanyofo no omonwunu obi ahu biu ade abebo omo pe no omo ye se am watemamuni a ade abeba ne mfaso na kwa matemamuni omo nye enti no matena ho na yesese posifo na sojafo agogo akotia to aba no mo ho atọ wo mo enso galam se yentumi ntu ase ade ntira enya de beboa politician ntu wonye yemfa ye ho adwen na nte sa de a Ghana yebebre pam ense wo se ho sen 0534050199 0593406565 0534050199 0593406565 majo medofo ya mi adom bra kwa medodo am yenti anumre
bra kwa medodo ka jam da fite biara wa
ojo so yan 30 seconds
yo atamna kuyine kanu ekura pa na kanu so se Ghana ya fa ya ma bi pa because amanya body say they want you need two almost twa ye bokọ yi am omo de omo de brepa pat be bo fo na de omo de ya
yo
de kwa pa na kanu
ntemo so mo fa mo hwa
ya uvia pa na hwa why
ma teme so me da se pa bra kwa me nchira opi majo medofo
mejo so minia
udine ma bia kasa free
acho Frank Naro ni masomo wodo me
champion me yenti anumre yo
animere de mame mo abaso she politicians no uja omo a enye yi se wo ankoto a obi be kwakoto ama omo be ye mmra ama omo be di uso ama mmra nso ubedi so ana politicians no nso omo nyina anyepe omo nyina ye pa anko obi enkwaje besia so de be ye nsawom ofanko road a wanye ama kwan ya be dane ohaw dadwen amane ama omo nsawom kosi ofanko ayo hawa be 1 year obi so ba o de just 8 months pe no abe settle e kadi nyina amenne nsawom to ofanko road nam so afala no akwaba nte bi didi achi MPP na emoye mum ye nyina yen command this
onem bebe hello senior agina so openi
mijina so
aha yanya campaign wa hawa nya menka ho pi next time we ya sa me you free so
be ye nyina anye pe
tie me ne nyina anye po say ye po ene ye ne wate nya menka ho pi MPP NC ye ka muntie no ene ye nyina ye bre no ma adwo medofo
Sabibi
sa kwa de tema committee level me yentia numre
onim majo
mejo so openi
moni adwuma to kaso ache
me se opa ofa
one will say a politicians no ya omo ye nyina efiye yankasankasankasa sebi ka frache 200 cedis 500 cedis a politician di be mawo akobo to amano no eye nyansa na say eye dey ye omo edi politicians na chi no omo na ama politicians ni tirimu aye omo de
yo
ana omo wie sika ne de mawom
yo
so ati ase Sammy B work of a police for 5,000 edi akogu ya akwatia kiti we na galam say ebe kakra ye benya nsu anomu a ye behwe
medase sa kwade nya menchira opi no adwen kire ma adwo medofo
Adjoa Agyei so Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy
Dexon bada ko droba chim edi kro champion menti anumre
akwa nya menchira wed ma pa boma piso mangana senior ne woni se ni opena kan eye no kwal papa ni tudoso na ne etene se ma ye hwade bi sanka prisi furu su anko en biye ne bi fia ye be senga bo won so bo but eye papa se prisi IGP awa ba foforo no ye be sen bibri salam sedi ikum Ghana fo ikum temembu fo
okay
bibri so minya e de prisi fo ko DNC ama ho ya anya ya no so ya nga ya beta bona baso me da ase
be so me da ase pa Dexon Bada ko droba chima di komi family last call na ya ko akopamaso akọ fa akopamaso nsem de aso ma adwo me dofo
ya me go so chairman
we ya me last call odi na bia kasa free
me din di jobu kasa free Santa Maria Antioku
Cynthia me yentia ni we
chairman o mai nan kasa no uji ho awon ti ase ana yen kasa timamu na timu na kasa na yeso ye because uhunu said obibini uhunu buroni ade we obefasi aye no be uhunu ni bibini a de we obefasi aye no it's like yen kasa no yen huni yen respect ye ho na o masa de hu kasa hye mu o man wi uhunu ade na say so kan kura untimi nka because uko kan wie ni later no e be sa ma tip of say
yen kure pa ya me shira yo
mesre yen panifo no
yo
butere bi o ayo munya boys no munya so mu disika ye kutu pa mo ye basa ne betre o
won so twede yampa Nyankopon won hyira wo pa na wadwen kyere hwehom ade asoma ni mebra so say ye kɔ akopamaso ne ye kɔkɔfa ensema hodo wadi adencheche wo sports mu ne ye de bebesoma ni nansa na kora no ti we sisi a
football there a game for win and loss but this is what to do normally it's a game for unity not divided but say we Ghana football particular here na play football people but who buy ye na kampoa ye baako ebi no afa ade te se o mu japade ena century force so mu boaye o mu boa ebi no mu ka samba because of excuse me to say the solid no ojinu
DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead DL Power Sports emu ade ejawo dead
DL Power Sports on DLFM 106.9.
Me wa fa se Bismarck edusi atnase Bismarck
over
empombo ko de
you agusu sha hope so ho
oh nyame adom odi adom abo adom so nene akopama so nsem no emu de sa no manam won
oh pa
se yame ya adom echina Ghana Black Stars ye ne child fo bi si akan ana
yes yeah the live commentary ba be so matifo
mo betumi awe ne de
oh yeah child de obi a hye nti child de nyame adom ochina e betwa fo
me hu obi a hye nanso obi ko ya okodi nkugu
oh dabi child de oh yes
all right bread into ma kwan na tisimu na fa akopama so nsem som Ghana TV
well me ma wadwo ma wakwa ba bi memfa emra DL 106.9 megahertz emra so se ye de agode mu nsem ebesom onu nsia kase esumidin e de Bismarck edu se na ye hyase na ye hyase e de afi ye ya ye diem Ghana na me hyase de Abrante friend Alexander Jiku ene Abrante friend Joseph Pentu nim se na watwi mu no international break na Ghana game amane chat ebebo a yetu kwan akọ chat krum so no me pa joint ya metre se Alexander Jiku ene Joseph Pentu mantimi an join ni team no ni nyina ne se Jiku de ene wa movie from team a ye friend Fenerbahce enso de nani achi mo Russia me pa choko sign e de ma team a ye friend Sparta Moscow entimi no ka se Jiku da ochina ana obetimi adru Ghana ha na Joseph Penton so a situation no me pa no so from the time and as at the time ono so yes ordinary hrem e wo Michael Kru Ghana mu no New York me pa the flight delay to ono so entimi an join team na me no ka say omo so entimi enka team no Nyankopon ya adoma e da ochina na two boys ni nyina no omo so betimi abepiem e wo krom wa na yento ansem no so na me fama wa na watwimi on say bomba na sa dia can say controversies bebre na sound Ghana Black Star budget ni nyina ne say honorable minister ye fe no Mr. Kofi Idi Adams or the Bamontin ni nyina ne budget a GF ne so etimi e de koma minor ni nyina ne say ministry no enso ehwem niam bi wo ha ehu behia say betimi a cancel ebiti say Black Stars ene me no ka say no empanifo busa ne say Dana previous games boy and your budget. I said when Timmy and Farmer Montana so wait there 2 games bebo against Chad and then on my friend Mali Nedia a come here so Penino at me at the budget na bantemna or Penny and friend honorable Mr. Honorable Kofi Adams or the Enchimu say and a buy.
By the ministry. It tells the interest you people have in the advertised item, but that is so. That is how it must be, and it is in response to that interest that have been shown over the years that as part of the government of His Excellency John Dramani Mahame's agenda of reset to make sure that sunlight is brought to every space, that in his address to the nation in Parliament in early part of this year, he promised that expenditure in relation to our national teams, especially the football sector, will not be kept as a secret, and that after all, it is your money, the taxpayers' money, that is used in funding these teams. They are national teams.
Wey enen koma honorable minister Kofi Idi Adams so edi tujana ewie ne anso ho a yesa ebusa ne se enei identicra na Blaster Management Committee omu bonuses a me pacho Black Stars edi nkunim am so etimi je $100,000 ono so etimi aye free na say ana honorable minister Kofi Idi Adams so ekire ni semu.
Well, because we had agreed together in a meeting with the FA in February when we met that the management team members or the officials, as they have been described, should not earn bonus for every match won. Because your duty is to see the team through to qualify for a tournament. So we can pay you per diem, but we will not pay you a winning bonus. Your winning bonus is actually qualification. What you should describe as a success as a management team member is qualification. So when we qualify, you will be sorted out appropriately.
DLFM 106.9.
And also an inchimwa openia oye Minister for Sports and Recreation Honorable Kofi Idi Adams and so echiremu na yatoa so busa ne se enei come here say FNO present $5,000 say betimi afuele Black Stars bus no Honorable Minister a cancel no so adi nchiremu ba yentie senior Honorable Minister Kofi Idi Adams echire ni semu.
The Stars have a bus.
Okay.
But the bus is not an electric bus, so it runs on fuel.
Okay.
So the FA thought that there should be some commitment from government as far as fuel is concerned. But we also thought that as for fuel of the bus around, it should not be a line that has to be added to the budget. It can be taken care of from the ministry's goods and services. There are a number of things that we normally take care of from our goods and services, so fuel should be one of them. And we don't think that fuel for the rounds that they will make during this period will be that much beyond our capacity that we cannot take care of it from our budget that has already been approved.
Na metwa so dem anu unim se kwansin ana GFA and so at the press release ebeto mountain na minister Honorable Kofi Idi Adams and so kansam kakra FA no so press release so yanko yentie nsema Honorable Minister and so kafa press release GFA and so the ba mountain.
It's not everything that sometimes you get up and you want to respond because you don't have any case to respond. Yeah. One, you presented an estimate. The estimate went through a process and the approval have so been given. And it is that approval that we are working with. And that's all.
Yeah.
So I don't know what it is that they want to but we'll wait for them since they say they would respond. But who is communication this? There should be is there no human being there that can put his name to
it's signed communications department, Ghana Football
Association department. They should have put a name there so that we know when we speak to a name. But
DL Power Sports.
Boy, yenyina san semi so na yamfa efin sam na eboabo anyina nsi na yamfa flight number DL 1069 entwa esofra enkonkrofon cross nkofa latest and a yegada enso ediabro unim se na watchi mu no international duties na me pacho FIFA World Cup 2026 nyankopon aduma next year betodwa US of A Canada any Mexico no me pacho ya start and first game etodwa ukopiem group F na Seychelles etina fie ama Gabon etwom ebom eka poli enan omantimi antimi adabraka abrantena ye friend Dennis Buanga first half no aye adwuma ni nyina obo hat-trick ana akwadana ye friend Yanis Mabemba ono so etimi de ba ko peso a ene Gabon ewini by 4 goals to 0 na pacho Osha Group F now, almost standings no say and home common on SC5 Gabon. I was 18 points after 7 games. Ivory Coast, I was 16 points after 6 games. Burundi, I was 10 points and also after 6 games. Kenya, I was 6 points after 6 games. Gambia, I was 4 points after 6 games. And Seychelles, and also why Shipping Boys so be a channel 0 points after 7 games and kakra everywhere na me frame ni chirem da ochina fixtures and patriot tojwa 1 p.m. Chad etna fia tonesa era from my concro Ghana sa game no ya the live commentary besomo ewo dia 106.9 to make a date ada ochina 1 p.m. Mr. Kwame Afuma etna se ya betuja the live commentary ebebro 4 p.m. Angola enso ne Libya bebo Sanswana Guinea Bissau ne Sierra Leone enso ebebo Madagascar and Central African Republic enso bebo Mauritius enso any Cape Verde ana me patro Sao Tome and Principe and Equatorial Guinea na 7 p.m. games we so tojwa Algeria betrefe ne Botswana Cameroon so ne Eswatini Mali any Comoros a game with Ghana ye were interest one papa ana fe Tunisia and so any Liberia and so ana beba nyankopon ya adoma da ochina and also any kakre free ho na Manuel Akanji ana mpanifo kwa na so na yebusa ne se ede krampo ana enei Ojina so ene watimi abuna ketemere free bobo ku efre Manchester City Akanji say Pep Guardiola catch say enei was 6 center backs when the team and the only team guarantee obia enough playing time Akanji say way and come out Pep Guardiola any DA no Ojina so say dabi one Pep baby amfa nani amfa masa and sure this season onya game no bebre more na unim say Portugal national team no I'm so timi akwa camp na me patcho mo ye bibi strong kokra enso de ma akwadana ye friend Diego Jota eni ni nua friend Andrea Silva ni nyina ne se enchemu ana Brantia Diego Jota eni ni nua Andrea Silva enso ekonya ka kwanhia amohwiri amkwanti Portugal national team no led by akwadana ye friend Ruben Neves unim se nadamfo pa eni Diego Jota anti omuhia no omutimi pay tribute yanko ne yanhwe hawa and also Portugal national team.
Em primeiro lugar, deixar uma palavra de agradecimento à Federação por esta bonita homenagem. Agradecer também ao Sr. Presidente da República, ao Sr. Primeiro-Ministro, por estarem presentes e fazerem parte deste momento. Agora, em meu nome e em nome de toda a Seleção Nacional, dar uma palavra de conforto a toda a família e amigos de Jorge Costa, bem como ao Futebol Clube do Porto. Em especial para mim, e porque me sinto um bocadinho parte desta família, deixar uma palavra de muita força à Ruth, aos meninos e aos pais do Diogo e do André. Como já disse, iremos, eu e toda a seleção, fazer de tudo para manter o Diogo presente connosco. Obrigado, Jorge, André e Diogo, para sempre nos nossos corações.
Na chese way any idea Argentina national team no amuso etimi ede sha kwadana yefeno Diogo Jota enso animonyam na me patcho World Cup yekobo na kupon aduma next year US of A Canada and Mexico no menu kasa teams pina enso etimi qualify and Canada Mexico and USA omo dia automatic qualification omo sa akana teams we mo omo so etimi qualify Japan menu kasa wa qualify New Zealand enso qualify Iran enso qualify Argentina enso qualify Uzbekistan not Korea Republic ana afei my friend say Australia Ecuador ne Brazil way any teams amenu kase omu nyina so atimi a qualifier omede omani HM next year United States of America, Canada, and Mexico World Cup ebe tojwa no omoso atimi adierem na me sorry so no ma me famani enchirem enso ewo tennis na minwie ho na fe dwumadi ne kan ne yemfa nto aso na unim say US Open egusua ekoso babi a yadu no eye quarter finals na enanwumre 11 p.m. ababa ye friend Amanda Anisonova anase Anisimova one Iga Swiatek de bebo ani sanso a ana Naomi Osaka enso ene Carolina Muchova enso de bebo na okopiem e mema na foma me patro game back atodwa Penny and friend Novak Djokovic oni Taylor Fritz me patron Novak Djokovic atimi adi nkunima nei me no kase odinani enso achirem e semi final kwada ne twini mu papa 4 sets our first one e 6-3 7-5 3-6 6-4 enti openina friend Novak Djokovic ene odinani enso achirem ewo semi finals na maybe tenasi na game back nso tojwa abrantia ye friend Felix Oge ene Alex Dimine omonsu game no egusu etodwa nyankopon adema ochine ebetrasia yedimu nchiremu ni nyina enso ebeba enti wafa mejina wesu na me de agudie mu nsema na anwumre ye boaboa no nyina enso asia ma menda me wafa Kwame Afum mendana say yes from afar monitor dwumadi na dama ana nei yetimi enso akuchire nsem na yabesom kwaso nkosokra enti no yemfansi na den de aka nyina yemfanto asofa
na just yame ya doma echina no number ko
yes
model live commentary beba na Ghana Black Stars ene child match no yetime hu de besi yebehye
oh yebehye na me adoma ochina boys na mbeko fi kesie mu no Antoine Semenyo ne form ekitani ni to muntwa Semenyo to score yes enti nyame adoma ochina de
yete achire because o man ye ya ye nyina enti ye bom pae so munni nkunum na me mante ye nkokwa ye adwuma wa monone sempeni for the man so momo wa
World Cup we na national agenda
bitu kan yakọ
national agenda
ko fitela se kura no nyame na me ne gusu kasa me here me gya no kwan na ma pel placement amano na onko prepare chire wo ho ma enti Bismarck edu se me da se pa Bismarck edu se na atene ko so de akopama so nsem ebesme ka se boni ye de ase musemufo ne ye maze me belantwe se mu ede ema yen ko fite de ko piem wo Facebook and afensu YouTube no so be ma ensuro gya no onsuro hwe DJ Zigby echinchim efre ne fruma ede ma yen na kenkanfo aye sinkonya besoma ne bre no edi amegye so no eya wo wofa Nhyiraba Kwadwo Sammy bi mene Adjoa Agyei Sikapa na ne mebesoma so mpa imamu nyina mu eni tia de hye ye kwena DJ Zigby betena se ya wo so hene na de nyompa ne kasade abejo tata ko pete bebo no ntu imamu nyina mu ni tia ade hye